my channel. Today I'm unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for October 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. The Allure Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box. It used to be $15 a month with a guaranteed value of, I believe it was $60 and 2 full-size items. It went up to $23 a month starting this month, and they say now it will include 6 or more items. 3 of them at least will be full-size with at least a $100 value. They do sometimes include a bonus product or 2 in there as a free gift, but they guarantee that there will be at least 6 items, and that sheet masks will not count as a full-size item. So that those will be in addition to your 3. Now, they were offering a deal through the end of September that if you subscribed on an annual subscription at the old rate, you would get the new size box at the old rate. So it was $165 for the year, which works out to be $13.75 per month. Somehow, in switching my subscription from a monthly subscription to an annual subscription, I get 2 boxes this month. So I was on the phone with the reps at Allure trying to clear that up, and the rep I spoke with, who was a wonderful woman, very, very nice, told me that they were actually extending the offer to subscribe for 1 year at the old rate of $165 currently through the end of October, through October 31st. There are rumors it may be extended into November, but don't have confirmation on that. But if you were interested and said, oh, I should have done it, or you're thinking about it and you're kind of kicking yourself, or you saw those mega bundles that people are getting as an annual subscription gift, I'll put my video up here of what I got for mine. They have extended it. Now, the annual subscription gift, that mega bundle thing, is only while supplies last. So if that's part of the reason why you're doing it, I would call sooner rather than later. I will put the 800, well, I don't know if it's an 800 number. I'll put the phone number down in the description so that you can do it. But they are extending it. I haven't seen it on the website, but she did say if you call and ask, that they will give you that $165 rate. So definitely worth checking out. We'll decide today whether we think the new box is worth $23. But for now, it'd be a whole different thing if it's worth $13.75 to you than $23. So that's something to think about. So as I said, I got 2. That means that these items will go into a giveaway. I do have one running right now, but I'm not sure when this will go up, and mine ends on the 21st. So check that out if you haven't already, but I do have other ones planned for the future, so that the duplicate of this will go in there. So we open up the box, and first thing we do see, as always, is there is a little pamphlet. It's not just a card like other ones, it is a pamphlet. And they do give the items that are in it and some information, but it's not information about the product per se. It's the reasons why the editor who selected the item, reason why they chose it, their experience with the item. So while it's interesting information, it doesn't give you a whole lot of detail about the product. So I've taken care of that. So let's take a look and see what we got. We'll see whether we think that it's worth the $23 a month price, or whether we think that, is it even worth the $13.75? So let's check it out. Our first item is from Dr. Jart, and this is Ceramide Cream. And this is a deeply moisturizing ceramide cream supercharged with 5 Cera Complex to strengthen the skin barrier and shield from water and moisture loss. Dr. Jart's proprietary 5 Cera Complex, which are ceramides, provides long-lasting moisture and improves the condition of an irritated skin barrier in extreme climates. It's for normal, dry, and very dry skin experiencing dryness, itchiness, roughness, and discomfort. Now, a full size of this would be 50 milliliters and retail for $48. This is a 10 milliliter sample, so the sample value would be about $9.60. Okay, our next item is from La Roche Posay, and it is Lipikar Balm AP Plus Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. And this is a body cream moisturizer for dry skin to extra dry skin, featuring a unique prebiotic action on the skin microbiome, clinically shown to reduce dry, rough skin and provide daily relief, accepted by the National Eczema Association, suitable for babies as young as 2 weeks, and perfect to use on a daily basis as a deep cleansing balm or weekly as a nourishing facial mask. It's interesting. They talk about it as a body cream and yet as a facial mask. So it actually does say on the side appropriate for body and face. So that's interesting. My skin is fairly normal, but during the winter it does get dry in certain situations, particularly if I'm spending a lot of time in the car. For some reason, the heat in the car will dry my skin out. And once we actually start running the heat in the house, which we haven't done so far this year, God bless, our house keeps the warmth very well. But once we do that, if we don't have the humidifier going or if it's not working well, sometimes I'll get very dry. So that's an interesting product. It is available in 2 sizes at retail. There's a 400 milliliter that is $19.99 and a 200 milliliter that is $14.99. This is a deluxe sample that is 15 milliliters, so that would give it a value of about $1.12. Okay, our next product is from Sigma. I like that. And it's a liquid lipstick. And it's a lightweight satin matte lip color featuring a deluxe hydrating formula, providing extreme color payoff in one saturated swipe. And the color is Venom. It is available in 5 colors, but we've got Venom, which they describe as a timeless deep blood red. Perfect in time for Halloween. A full size of this would be 0.2 ounces or 5.67 grams and retail for $20. This is a deluxe sample, 1.4 grams, retail for $4.94. Not a color I would wear often, so I wouldn't need a full size of it, but certainly for Halloween or the holidays. It's always nice to have good red for around Christmas and the holidays. So I actually like the idea that this one is a sample because I would never use a full size of this before it went bad. Okay, our next product is from the new company, and it is Topical C. I don't know if that's going to focus. Sometimes it's tough with these white boxes. Topical C is a powdered vitamin C supplement for your face. Proven to boost collagen, fight sun damage, and firm skin. It dissolves and activates when mixed with your existing moisturizer or face serum. Okay, so this is something you mix in. Sorry, I'm just trying to open it without tearing the box. Applied daily, skin appears brighter with less visible fine lines and wrinkles. Just dissolve 2 to 3 shakes in the palm of your hand with water or your favorite serum and apply to your face and neck and décolletage if you feel like it. So that's the bottle. It's actually really kind of, it's pretty. Like this, like I just like the look of the bottle. This is another one that I would just think would look cool sitting on your shelf. And this is 15 grams, which is the full size, and it retails for $70. Vitamin C is supposed to be very, very good for your skin. I do use a vitamin C serum on my face every day, so I've never heard of this company, and I'm not sure how I feel about a powder. Let's see. Oh, it's got a little stopper in it. I'm not going to open it up because I don't know if that's going to start to diminish the strength of it, but it's interesting. What do you think? Has anybody ever heard of that? Have you heard of this company? Have you heard about a powdered vitamin C that you add to your serum? I think it's intriguing. Do I like it? I'll let you know. Okay, our next product is from Reverso, and it is Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. Come on, there you go. It's a lightweight eye serum that targets signs of aging and energizes tired skin around the eyes. A full size, which would be 1 fluid ounce, would retail for $80. This is 20 milliliters or 2/3 of an ounce, so value on this little sample, $53.60. Man, those eye creams are rough. Again, I've heard of this brand. I know I've gotten things from them in other boxes recently. I haven't tried it yet because I'm using up what I have already, but I'm not mad about that, even though it's not a full size. It's still, 50 some odd dollars worth of product. So, okay, our next one is from Wilma Schumann, European Skincare, and it is Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. This is an intense hydration boosting treatment for the eye contour area with 100% pure collagen. Will visibly and effectively improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and reduce puffiness. Contains soothing and hydrating ingredients for all skin types. This is sold in packages of 5 or 10. A 5-pack retails for $18, so a single one, which is what we have here, would be about $3.60. Okay, and next we have a nail polish. This is from Static Nails, and it is the Liquid Glass Lacquer. A breakthrough formula loaded with rich pigments and natural antioxidants for a healthy manicure that actually lasts up to 10 or more days without chipping when paired with Static Nails Liquid Glass Primer and Top Coat. Key ingredients in this are rose hip for nail growth, marula oil for hydration and strengthening, and balm mint, which restores and adds shine. The shade here is Irene, and it's a sort of a pale, dusty pink. This is a 12 milliliter full size. It retails for $16. Okay, our last item is from Rusk, and it is the Pure Mix Native Fig Replenishing Shampoo and Conditioner. A little one-off packet of shampoo and conditioner. Formulated with fig, vitamin C and E, and calcium to gently cleanse and replenish hair's moisture levels while softening and detangling. Refined oats for strength and quinoa proteins for color protection, leaving you with healthy looking hair. It is available in 2 sizes at retail. There's a 35 ounce and a 12 ounce of each. The 12 ounce shampoo and conditioner retail for $18 each. These little one-off packets are it's 0.34 and 3.35 ounces, so I'm calling it a third of an ounce. So it gives them a value of about 51 cents each. So that's the new Allure Beauty Box. We got the Dr. Jart Ceramidin Cream, the Roche Posay Lipicar Balm AP Plus Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. From Sigma, we got the liquid lipstick. We got the full size from the new company Topical C. That was our first full size product. The Reverso Super Eye Serum. The Wilma Schumann Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. The Static Nails Liquid Glass Lacquer Nail Polish. This is also a full size. And the one-off samples of the shampoo and conditioner from Rusk. Now, they promised us at least 6 items, at least 3 of them full size, and a value of $100 or more. We did receive 8 items, 9 if you count the shampoo and conditioner as separate items, but even they've got them attached together. I'm calling it 1, but it's 8 items. By my calculation, only 2 of them are full size. The new company Topical C and the nail polish. Now, it is possible that this Verso Eye Serum is sold at retail at this in this size. I couldn't find it, but I'm willing to say I might be wrong. It is a $50 sample if it's a sample, so I'm not mad at it. But if you're going to promise me 3 full-size items, I want 3 full-size items. So, again, I'm willing to allow that I may have missed this being sold retail somewhere in this size. But total retail value of the box, $160.88. not a bad box. I mean, we got, you know, the value. That noise is my dog drinking. If you hear that, and I'm sorry if it annoys you. Anyway, not a bad box. I mean, we got the value, and you know, I do my nails all the time, so you know, having a nail polish is fine. I actually like the fact that the lipstick is not a full size. If it was a full size, I'd probably give it away. The small one, I actually will probably keep one of them. Obviously, one of them is going to go and give away, but I'll keep one of them for the holidays or for, you know, possibly for Halloween or whatever. So, I'm not mad at that. And, you know, the eye cream, I'm not mad about any of it. I'm underwhelmed. I thought that the first box, especially first box out of the gate at the new rate, they were gonna blow our socks off. So the people were like, okay, yeah, totally worth the $23. You know, I'm looking at this and I'm like, meh. Again, there's nothing that I'm like, oh, that's horrible, or, you know, all right, a single-use shampoo and conditioner, yeah, I'm not thrilled with that. But like I said, I expected to be wowed because it was the first one. You're trying to convince people that it's worth paying pretty much what you pay for BoxyCharm or for, you know, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. You know, I feel like you want to be a little wowed, and I'm not wowed. It's okay. I mean, I paid $13.75 for this box, and, you know, heck, the nail polish alone is practically that, although I don't know that I would ever pay for that as a full-size bottle, what they're charging for it. But, you know, we got the money's worth, certainly my $13.75 worth, but I expected more from you, Allure. Anyway, if you're saying to yourself, oh, I don't know that I paid $23 for it, but I would have paid $13.75, don't forget that that extension of the offer to subscribe at that old annual rate is still available. So I'll put the telephone number down in the description box. Tell them that you heard about the offer to subscribe at the old rate of $165, that it had been extended and that you want to take advantage of that. Also, ask them about that annual subscription gift mega bundle. See if it's still available. I don't know if they will just give it to you if you don't ask for it. So when you call, be sure to tell them that you want the old rate and ask them about the bundle. Like I said, the woman I talked to was seemed like the type that she would have been like, hey, do you know that we have this? But I don't know if they all will. So if it's something you're interested in, you say, you know, I'm not crazy about paying $23 a month for it, but for $13.75 I would give them a shot, which is what I did. And I'm like, oh, at $13.75 I'm willing to give them a few months to get their act together, but because I'm locked in for the year anyway because I paid for it. So I didn't mind the box for $13.75. If this was the first box I had paid $23 for, and actually I have to look at my credit card, I may have paid $23 for one of these. Yeah, I'm not quite as happy. Let me know what you think. Do you subscribe to the Allure box, or you feeling the same way I am? Like, did they kind of miss the chance here? Or am I just being a little too judgmental? Was I expecting too much? Let me know what you think. Leave your comments down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't done it already. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.